What's up guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to do a backside flip in a ramp. So doing a backside flip in a ramp is easier than doing it on flat ground because you don't have to turn the full 180. You don't even have to turn 90 if you carve enough. So first off, you want to know how to do a kickflip on flat ground. So to do that, you're going to pop, and just like you're doing an ollie, except instead of dragging your foot straight up the board, you're going to drag it off to the side. I flick right here in the pocket where the nose starts to curve up. Gives a perfect flip. Your back foot just kind of hovers over it, catches the board, you land and roll away. So to do a backside flip in a bank, you're going to really carve. So at first you're going to carve so much that you're almost just doing a regular kickflip. So you're almost facing directly forward, doing a kickflip, just barely turning, and then kind of pivoting back in. And over time, you're going to carve less and less until you're doing really basically a full 90-degree turn. So yeah, you're carving and leaning into it, but also you're turning your shoulders just a little bit. You don't want to over rotate this, but you just want to turn your shoulders just enough to get the amount of turn that you need. At first, if it's a concrete bank and it's not slippery like this metal stuff, you can do the kickflip, kind of land like this, and then just kind of pivot into it. You don't have to fully do it and land in right away. So it's really all in the shoulders. You gotta just practice turning your shoulders the right way. So after you can do this on a bank ramp, that's kind of a stepping stone to being able to do this on flat ground. On flat ground, you're really gonna have to turn your shoulders before you even pop. And it's a lot more like a wind up and turn on flat ground because you have to do the full 180. You don't just turn 90. So that's how you do a backside 180 kickflip in a ramp. It's a lot easier than doing it on flat ground. Like I said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to somebody. And if you guys like this kind of content, definitely hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. I'm working really hard on this channel, trying to make some interesting content. I've been trying to build stuff. I'm definitely going to be building more ramps, so look forward to more like DIY type projects in the future. I'm going to be working on my mini ramp, trying to get it to be just perfection. And yeah, more how-to videos are definitely coming, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I just make videos about what I am doing as I grow as a skateboarder, and just videos about me having fun skateboarding. So thanks for watching.